Hello, welcome to Michelle's Crafting Corner, and we're back to the sewing machine building blocks, and we left you with the base virtually intact, and I only had 5 pieces left to do. Well, we could have actually finished them off because that's all I had to do, and that is the base. Oh, my hair's on it. Done. Solid base. And now we're on to starting the mechanism. Now I have got it all partially prepared. Now I have got a block on the single block on top there, 2 pieces with holes running through them, piece with holes through, a cog which I've already attached to the stick because the stick has to be measured prior, cog wheel, handle attachment and the holder. So we shall get these together. So the blocks, so just put the blocks together. So the 2 ones with the holes, make sure the holes line up. They're on the bottom. And basically that's your block mechanism ready. As for your cog, you've got your wheel at that end. Make sure that's on square, yep. And that doesn't really matter which way around it goes through there, and then that fits into that as well, does it? Hang on. Right, so that, actually, as the picture says, that goes onto there, like that, and then that goes onto there, like that, and then that gets pushed all the way down the wheel, which is extremely tight fit. It goes off. There, I'm going to think that's gone further on, as I'm actually going to put it on the block, because when it goes on that way, I'm going to leave that so that fits on, because when you get your piece, make sure that the bias points that way. This actually only 2 pins. The grey piece fits on your 2 pins. Yeah. And your building block. Let's take it down and get this all attached properly. Is that right? that one's on the inside. Or have I done that wrong? Wheel? No, this one. Oh. No, that's right, and it turns smoothly. It's all secure, it's in place, and it won't move. So it should, oh, but you gotta be careful, that'll come off. But once it's attached to the sewing machine, it should be stable. And now for our base plate. So, be very careful, some really tiny pieces in this. So we've got 4, well, circular pieces. It's row down, 3 steps in, and 3 steps in. And we're doing that, and we'll get the 4 corners in place. And once we've got them in, that'll be fine. And we shall do the grid, and that's in place. 2 on the outside, 2 on the outside, 3 down the centre, down the centre, 1, 2, 3, 2 on the outside. Is it 3? 1, 4. Want another one hiding from me now. Can't see, find them for looking. I just want another one to go in that corner, and I can't find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I can't find, there it is, it's on its edge. Oh, I can't pick it up, typical. And there we go, that's that pick done. And now it says turn over. Don't know why. So we want a piece in the centre. Odd. I don't know, this is really weird. Piece in the centre, 3, yeah. Ah, this is the rocker mechanism. Just realised. 1 in the corner. Another one in the corner. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's that piece. And that piece goes in between there. That piece in. Next section is a pin to go in the top, which attaches to there, and do the same to the other side, and the pin to the top section attaches to the other side. There we go, that's his feet. It goes now. to the top section. Right. Yeah. Okay. So I've done that. And now it's saying to fit it. That one goes on there. And that one goes on there. But it's hitting that. Weird. Right, so that's that. Now we're doing arches. So I want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. 2 of them. Oh, where are the other 2? Not the lattice work. Yeah. There's one. There's the other. So it's 2 arches. Straight edge. Straight edge. Oh, the lattice. Yeah. Is there a certain way of fitting that in? Or is it just pushing? Right. There's a line there. It says it just pushes in. So there is an edge. It's pushed all the way through. Oh, crikey. So it goes on the base. It goes on these ends. So it goes on there. That goes on there. Same again the other side. That goes on there. Oh, flipping heck. Do one at a time. Not 2 at a time. Would be easier. One, 2, and then is that go to the front or that the back? That comes to that. It says to fit this piece last. I don't know why. This piece. Oh, it's both lattice pieces at that end. Weird. off. Okay. Some odd reason that's that built up. So for some reason that is piecework at that end. Right, now we need a load more little bits. Right. We are making the next part of the mechanism for here. So we need bits and pieces out. We need number 1, which is number 4, which is that one. Let's put them in order. So number 4. Number 3. Number 1. And I want that one. A T-joint. And a little cog. And a joiner. And 2 squares with crosses in. And 1 circular cap. So, part 12. So, number 3, that piece, goes into the cap. So that is now capped off, which then goes in to why is that so into reverse? I don't know. Push them in. And then we have the next part, which is number 4, which is that piece going through the cog. Right. There's the cog. Oh, right, cog. Nothing's up. Threading these. Right, that's at the top. That's at the top. Right, it's definitely in, right. Push that in. That is in. So that's like that. Then we have the T-joint. which is on. Yay! Which then gets joined to the block. Which then gets the other piece put on. Now, oh, it's alright. Because it's beveled ends at either end. So I just panicked then, thinking there was only one on either end. So, and it'll only go so far. So that's that piece. So, alright. Where does that piece go? On there. First, I think. And then that piece. I don't know. So that's 12. Which then fits into there. Or should do. And then wheels don't touch. Oh, and they need to touch. They're not touching. They need to touch. They should be touching. It's showing the two wheels here, and for that to turn, and that turns. To make that turn. Right. Let's just make my handle. So we've got the cog. Detach the piece. And we want a little bridge piece. Two bridge pieces. Two number 2 flat pieces. Two number 2 flat pieces. One handle. How many? And extend them. Right, so easy peasy. Bridge pieces go on the archway on the other end. Really? Oh. That was easy. Right, handle mechanism. So the cog goes on. Oh. There. that. And you've got the handle. Where's my piece just gone? Is that? Right, that's that. My bits of ball is there. God, I didn't get it. So that's not that. That's like that. That's your handle. And that piece fits on there. That's your handle. And that is meant to be in there, which is falling off. Right, what's the next piece? I'm not sure what the next piece is. I shall look into that, but I will actually leave it there for now. Thank you for watching. So far it's quite intriguing. It is going to be a decent sized build looking at it. I've still got another full, plenty of bricks on my desk, a full box of bricks next to me. So, and I have got a display case to build for this as well. So look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you for watching.